car quits. Fall! You're watching Mafia TV. We film the hits, we show the real. For the drivers and promoters too, we bring the derby world to you. Still on still, no apologies. This is life in the derby scene.
We'll do some other shout outs in between. We've got a few young kids out there. I gotta mention their names tonight. This is full size heat number 1. Alright, I'm gonna read them off in no particular order, but the first one I'm gonna read, folks, fans, I want you to listen to this. The number 716, a good friend of mine, Mr. Brent McFarland. This is his 50th year participating in the Demolition Derby. There he is with that ugly looking car. I can say that because I'm his friend. The 716, let's give it up for Brent McFarland out of Ridgely, Maryland. 50 years! I didn't say he's 50 years old. I said he's been coming for 50 years and doing this. He's got his sons, grandsons, and great-grandsons who are competing against him. And he is in a 1959 Edsel. What? All right, listen up. In the PMS, you heard that, PMS out of Salem, New Jersey, Dawn Ellis. Here's a fan favorite that comes out of Bridgeton, New Jersey, the number 44D, Robert Esserton. I heard Robert. And another fan favorite out of Bridgeville, Delaware, the number 49. We call him Sergeant Rock. His name is Johnny Ottinger. All right, fans, we're going to keep it short and simple. We're going to count it down. When you're ready, Mike. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Uh-oh! Robert Esserton on the rail. Sounds like Dawn's transmission could be slipping. There goes Brent McFarland. Johnny Ottinger, Sergeant Rock, coming around for the hit. Not quite enough, Dawn. All righty. Looks like Brent lost his rear bumper.